I got my quiz 1.1 back, and I did pretty good, but I got an 8.5, so that means that there are some mistakes. So what I do is I go to my notebook. I'm on page 6, right? It says in the table of contents. That's where Master Quiz 1.1 goes. So I'm on page 6. On the right side, I'm going to write Quiz 1.1 corrections. Okay. Now, I'm only going to correct the problems that I got wrong. So everybody's page will look different. Some people won't have corrections if they got a perfect score. Some people only have one correction. Some people have a lot of corrections. But the idea is to take the time to do what you need to do. So for me, I got question 7 wrong. So I'm going to recopy the question. And you shouldn't copy exactly what I'm copying. If you didn't get question 7 wrong, you wouldn't copy question 7. But so I got it wrong. I put 3 here. And so I'm going to redo it. And a really good strategy is to use color, right? To use a strategy that's going to help you actually remember what happened and what you did wrong and what your mistake was and not make it again. And so what I remember is when I subtract a number, I always add the opposite. So this is going to be, if I add the opposite of -2, the opposite of -2 is +2. So this is going to become a 7. And I put 3 because I subtracted. So this would be my new answer, is a 7. And the other way I could think of it, right, I think some people remember keep, change, right? I think there's a lot of ways to remember this, but either way the answer is 7. So I've corrected question 7. If you didn't get question 7 wrong, you don't need to put this. But if you did, right, then that would be one of your corrections. Let's say you got question 3 wrong as well, you would put 3, and then you would answer question 3. So I got question 7 wrong, and then the other question I got wrong was number 11. So I'm going to copy that question. And I'm going to redo that one. Okay, and notice I'm only doing the ones I got wrong. 9 times 4 is 36, right? That's in grouping symbol, so that comes first. 3 plus 3 is 6. It's also in grouping symbols. I'm going to do these both at the same time. 36 divided by 6 is 6. Okay, so those are my corrections. Now I'm done. Your corrections might be even shorter. If you got one thing wrong only, they might be much longer if you struggled on this quiz, and that's okay. But once you're done with the corrections, so that's the right side of page 6, then on the left side of page 6, I'll zoom out a little bit so you can see. On the left side of page 6, I'm just going to tape down my quiz 1.1. So my page 6, I have the quiz, I have my quiz with a grade, and I have the corrections on the right side. So when I come to office hours and I'm ready to retake, I can open it and I can say, look, Miss Broderick, I already did the corrections, and I'm ready to practice a little bit more and then take the quiz. Okay, so that's that.